this is a TV studio, Bell Media, CP24, and that's where the journalists could sit sometime. Yeah, so they have like much music and all this stuff. Okay, so this is Queen Street where a lot of people go shopping. So it's just one of the shopping streets in Toronto. Instead of a shopping mall, this is an actual shopping street. So this is Steve's music store. It's been here for a very long time. And we're gonna check that short store out.
She just shows everything.
Oh. So we're at Bay and Dundas. I'm just taking a video of what's going on around here. Eaton Centre is the biggest shopping mall, and it's that way. I don't know if it's still the biggest though. When you see that red and white thing, that's for the TTC, the buses. Okay, so we met some friends from high school, and it was really nice to see them again. Enrico bought some guitar picks from Steve's music store. Not that expensive. Guitar picks aren't very expensive, but you know, the prices in the music store were similar in Italy to that of in Canada, when you consider that here you have to add tax every time for like everything. You got to add tax. So it's that part's kind of really annoying about Canada, is that any price you see, I have to add provincial and government tax, and I don't really know how it works, because on food you have to pay one of them, not both of them. So just keep that in mind. You have to tip in restaurants and in taxis, and for like a lot of services you just have to tip. That's another thing. And there's no tipping in Italy. So you always have to, when you think about the prices, you always have to consider those things. There's the TTC streetcar there. Muji! It reminds me of Japan. Okay, Yangandunda Square again. This is the view from the 3rd floor. What it looks like. There are 3 floors. This display has been there since I was here, like last time. Since I was a teenager. You can buy traditional Korean things here. I think that is so cute. Look, look, look. So we're back in Thornhill, and we're going to a Korean restaurant again. Thornhill is just north of Toronto, and Sariwon Korean restaurant, and it's on Yonge Street, 7388 Yonge Street. I memorized the address because I had to tell people where to go. And so yeah, Korean food again. I love Korean food. Yeah, got the bibimbap, and wow, you put a lot of red sauce, bibimbap sauce. Yeah. You gotta mix it up good.
He's on his way.
Yeah, Enrico got a bulgogi stew, so it's like sogogi gimbap, but they had a different name for it than that.
Don't ask me. Dakbeki bulgogi.
Dakbeki, yeah, something like that. I got jajang. I like jajang. I don't get to eat it much. And these are the side dishes.